Hey there, bookworms. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're diving into the transformative power of decluttering and organizing with Marie Kondo's groundbreaking book. Are you tired of living in a cluttered and chaotic space? Do you dream of a home filled with harmony and peace? Marie Kondo, a Japanese cleaning consultant, unveils her KonMari method, a revolutionary approach to tidying up that promises to not only transform your home but also change your life, while other methods teach you to take a room-by-room approach. Marie Kondo instead implements a category-by-category method, which is both less daunting and creates lasting effects meant to last a lifetime. Truly, none of Marie's clients have relapsed, and she has a months-long waiting list. With tips like learning how to give your house and possessions gratitude, you can learn which items spark joy and which items don't. Learn how to clear your clutter and visualize your ideal living space. You'll soon see the magic of how tidying up can declutter not only your home but your mind and body as well. Imagine a world where your possessions spark joy and your space reflects your inner peace. Marie Kondo teaches us to only keep items that bring us true happiness and learn to let go of the rest. So, let's dive into the summary of this life-changing book. But before we dive into the content, I kindly request a moment of your time to appreciate this video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that notification bell. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much. By following the KonMari method, you'll learn how to categorize your belongings, say thank you to items you no longer need, and create a home that nurtures your soul. As I tried Kondo's folding technique myself, I discovered a newfound appreciation for the items I own and the importance of maintaining a clutter-free environment. This Japanese art of the KonMari method will help you change your approach to tidying up such you will never revert to clutter again. When you put your living space or workspace in order, you accept the past and put your affairs in order too. It will help you understand the essential things in life, exercise self-control, and surround yourself with the things you love. Your success will depend on your mindset by acquiring the right technique and taking on the ownership pattern of doing the tidying. Kondo provides her signature three-step method for the physical act of tidying, which is known as the KonMari method. Discard. Remove anything that you do not need. Store. Organize the remaining items by category. Maintain. Put your stuff back in its designated place after using it. Join us on this journey to decluttering and organizing as we dive deep into the life-changing magic of tidying up, the book that's sparking joy in homes around the world. Marie Kondo's The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up offers not just a method for decluttering and organizing, but a philosophy for living intentionally. Through her practical advice and thoughtful guidance, we learn to surround ourselves only with items that truly matter to us. Marie Kondo suggests that this style of thinking is backwards. She suggests that you should organize by category instead, bringing all of the things of a particular type into the same room with you. Hold each one and ask yourself, does this spark joy in my heart? And if it does, you should keep it. Marie believes that you should choose the things you want to keep and get rid of all the rest. Kondo emphasizes the importance of acknowledging each item's role in our lives, encouraging us to treasure what brings us joy and let go of what no longer serves us. By applying the KonMari method, we not only clear physical clutter but also create space for personal growth and self-discovery. It's not just about organizing things. It's about creating a sanctuary that nurtures our well-being. As we delve into Kondo's principles, we realize that decluttering goes beyond our physical space. It's a transformative journey that leads to a clearer mind, increased productivity, and a greater sense of gratitude. People around the world have experienced life-changing results by embracing the KonMari method. From simplified wardrobes to organized living spaces, the impact of tidying up with Marie Kondo's guidance is truly remarkable. Decluttering your life and cutting out the unnecessary gets you closer to your goal of living in an ideal living space and living out your ideal life. And while it seems daunting and overwhelming, make it simple. Decide what you want to keep and discard what you don't. Keep what makes you happy, serves a purpose, and adds value to your life. Discard the items that don't make you happy. Don't we do this in our lives already? It's time to apply these principles to the items in your home. Dig deep within yourself and determine what you want out of your living space. Visualize your ideal space and take action that will lead you to bring that vision into reality. Once you tidy up your home, consider tidying up your life and improving your lifestyle. I'd highly recommend the book as a way to continue efforts towards decluttering, or if looking for a system to begin the process. Marie has a quirky yet charming approach to the things that surround us in our lives, be it our homes themselves or the socks on our feet. So, are you ready to declutter, organize, and transform your life? Dive into the life-changing magic of tidying up and discover the joy of living in a clutter-free environment that truly sparks joy. Link to get a copy of this incredible book is in the description below. Thank you for joining us on this journey of tidying up and embracing the magic of living intentionally. Remember, a tidy space is just the beginning of a more joyful and fulfilled life. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your space and your life with the wisdom of Marie Kondo. Remember, a tidy home leads to a tidy mind. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you found this book summary helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and insightful content. Leave us a comment down below if you've read this book or have any other recommendations for us. Stay tuned for more inspiring book summaries and lifestyle tips to declutter your mind and elevate your life. May your space be tidy and your heart light. Until next time, happy tidying.